Red, green, blue. How do we brighten these colors in painting? Let's start with red. Red is one of the hardest colors to manipulate. You will see why in few seconds. There are only two options to brighten red. We can mix it with white or with yellow. Let me show you first how red behaves when mixed with white. Here I will mix red with a little bit of white. Here with a little bit more, and so on. We can immediately see that it became brighter. But the question is it still red or is it pink? We can see that it became a totally different color. Now I will brighten red by mixing it with yellow. Once again, I will start with a small amount of yellow and gradually increase the brightness. We can obviously see that the color became orange and has nothing to do with red. So, what is the solution? There is no solution. The only way we can brighten red without losing its redness is by buying a stronger red with a higher chroma and brighter pigment. Let me show you how to brighten green. Green is one of the easiest colors to manipulate. No wonder it dominates our planet. Green is very elastic and acrobatic. We can brighten green using three ways. The first way is with white. You can see that using white brightens the green color, but at the same time, it loses power and saturation. The green becomes chalky and weak. Personally, I mix green with white only when I am painting highlights on leaves under direct sunlight, for example. The second way to brighten green is to mix it with a brighter green. Look here how I can brighten this green by mixing it with a higher chroma green and a much more saturated green. The third way is one of the best ways to brighten green in my opinion, and it is mixing green with yellow. We can control the brightness of the green without losing its strength and chroma. By mixing green with a weak yellow, like ochre yellow, we can uplift our green slightly. And if we use a stronger yellow, cadmium yellow for example, in this case we can brighten our greens while maintaining the strength of the green pigment. Let me know in the comments which way you prefer. Brightening green with white, with stronger green, or with yellow. Let's brighten blue now. Blue is one of the easiest colors to brighten. We can mix it with white or with a brighter blue. Here I am using ultramarine blue, which is dark, and I will mix in cerulean blue to brighten it. Look how the more cerulean I mix in, the brighter our blue becomes. Let's try with white. Look how the more white I mix in, the brighter the blue becomes. But always be careful with white, because it can make your blues look a little bit dull. Always try to brighten with a brighter blue before introducing white. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.